With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So question says that the correct IUPAC name of this complex, right? So this is actually a complex. So we have to tell that the IUPAC name, right? So actually this is a coordination compound, right? So the rule for writing the IUPAC name, right? So the rule for writing the, you can say for the naming of the coordination compound according to the IUPAC is like this, right? So first of all we have to write the ligand first, right? So we have to write the name of ligand first alphabetically, right? So we have to write the name of ligand alphabetically. So I can write here name of ligand alphabetically, right? So alphabetically, right? And if there is a positive charge on the complex, right? So let's say this is a complex, right? So and let's say this is a complex, right? So this is a complex, any kind of complex, right? And over this there is a positive charge, right? So the metal, right? So the metal is written like this, right? So the metal I have to apply, or I have to write IUM, right? So I have to write IUM as a suffix in metal, right? So in metal, right? So this is the rule, right? And if there is a negative charge over the complex, right? So if there is a negative charge over the complex, right? So this is our complex and there is a ligand here and this is metal, right? So this is metal, right? So in the metal I have to, or you can say you have to write ATE, right? So ATE as a suffix, right? So ATE, right? So these are some basic condition, right? So let's start writing this IUPAC name of this compound, coordination compound. We have a platinum, right? So that is metal, and we have a ligand, right? So there are two ammonia ligand, one chlorine ligand, right? And one is that is CH3NH2, right? So that is CH3NH2, right? And this is a whole compound, right? So like this is a, here you can say that there is a ligand, right? So here this is a ligand, right? So the number of these ligand vary from 4 to 6, right? 4, 6, 5, 7, something like this, right? So these are the ligand, right? In general, right? So in general, I can write here it is general, right? So I can write here it is N, right? So this is also N, right? So here outside this coordinate pair there is a chlorine, right? So outside this coordinate pair there is a chlorine, right? So from here you can see this chlorine has a negative charge. The whole complex will get over a positive charge, right? So whole complex will get over a positive charge, right? So from this we can find out this, or you can say we can predict that the metal will have a suffix that is IUM, right? So that metal have a suffix will that have IUM, right? So now name the ligand first, that is alphabetically, right? So we have a ligand that is ammonia, right? So we have a ligand that is ammonia and chloride, or you can say chlorine, or you can say that it is chlorido. According to the IUPAC nomenclature, it is termed as chlorido, right? It's not chlorine, right? Or this is methanamine, right? So this is methanamine, right? So we have three ligand, right? So we have three ligand, that is ammonia, right? So I can write here that is ammonia. So this is ammonia, right? And the other one is that is Cl, chlorine, right? So I can write here that is chlorido, right? So that is chlorido. This is chlorido. So I can write it clearly. This is chlorido, right? And this is methanamine, right? So this is methanamine. So I can write here as this is methanamine, right? So here you will see this. There's a single M here, right? And there's a double M here, right? So you have to put a double M in case of ammonia and is a single M in case of NH2, right? So that is called methanamine. So the naming will be of this coordination compound will be like this. So I can write here as the naming will be diamine. The naming will be diamine, right? So the naming will be diamine. That is here double M, right? So there is double M. After this, A will come first. After this C will come, right? And after this M, right? So the diamine chlorido. So it will be diamine chlorido, right? And after this methanamine, right? So I can write here that is methanamine, right? So that is methanamine, single N, right? And this is the ligand, right? So now we have to write the metal name, right? That is platinum, right? So I have to write is that platinum, right? So this is platinum. This is platinum, right? So now we have to write here the oxidation state of metal, right? So now we have to write here oxidation state of metal, right? So you can clearly find out the oxidation state, right? So since we know that ammonia is a neutral ligand and methanamine is also a neutral ligand, chlorine has a -1 charge. So here you can see this the oxidation state will be X minus 1. Overall, we are getting a charge here plus 1, right? So we are getting a plus 1. So the oxidation state of metal will be plus 2, right? So the oxidation state of metal will be plus 2, right? So I can write here the metal has a plus 2 oxidation state. So plus 2 I can write here like this. So this is the plus 2 oxidation state, right? And after this there is a chlorine, so I can write it's chloride, simple chloride. See, right? This is simple chloride, right? This is simple chloride, right? So this is the IUPAC name of this coordination compound, right? So the diamine chloridomethanamine platinum 2 chloride, right? So let's check the option. So option is bis amine, right? So this is not the right answer, right? So because bis is used for something like if there are two didental ligand, any kind of ligand, right? So complex ligand, right? So we have to use di, right? So we have to use term dry. So diamine, right? So this is diamine chlorido, and here in the option you can see here there is chloride is written, right? So but we have to write chloride according to the IUPAC nomenclature, right? And here it is methanamine, right? And platinum 2 chloride. So and in the case of C, option C, the diamine chloridoaminomethyl, right? So there is aminomethyl, right? And here platinum 2 chloride, and this is chlorido bis amine methyl amine platinum 2, right? So the name we have written is diamine, right? So this is diamine chloridomethanamine platinum 2 chloride, right? So according to this, our correct answer will be option B, that is diamine chloridomethanamine platinum 2 chloride, right? So in this way I can say option C and option D will be the wrong answer, right? Now we are left with the correct answer, that is option B, in which the IUPAC name of this coordination compound will be diamine chloridomethanamine platinum 2 chloride, right? So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.